Gobono omuliki butambaze wizara y'obuhererania Profesa Edward Kisang'anyi agakara omurubiri bene bokunyara gusimekemete sensemeria ya nyanturago ukwana kurwa sensemeni ya kuburia amenye bensemeje kubwatira na sekera y'okunyara gwekerania onchire kwerire ana munaso gusimekemete bunatokumenyiwa na juri kerubo
Omuliki wizara y'obuhererania nekerero Profesa Edward Kisang'anyi goritkorera omurubiri bw'ogusimekemete sensemo ya nyanturago ewode ibeno nyari bari chache county ya Kisii asate birekerenga kyaye no bwikiranye gati ya agenda cy'umurayi wense Dr. William Ruto yokokora umuchando bw'onchoreria bwerire.
I think the most important thing to take into account here is to understand why we are doing this exercise, engaged in this exercise. We have added the sixth one, which is climate change and environment. So if you understand those are the pillars, and they were the basis for the campaign by His Excellency, the President of the Republic, we think we can change our country by giving more attention to those pillars. Those are our priority areas.
Ni gato gire county ya Kisii asoko mostari wosio asogo simekemete asobonge korendeka ya mochi asogo simekibwemete yemeringamu na kubori chi county chinde kubwati chimbaratero chi county ya Kisii.
If all counties can be like Kisii, we shall be very far. I think the challenge in Kisii is what we are going to do with these eucalyptus trees, because they drink quote unquote a lot of water. So if we can start replacing some of these eucalyptus trees, again by persuading people, not forcing our people, let people understand the bigger value that we can replace them with indigenous trees. There is absolutely no excuse for anybody else in this country to not have trees, to increase the tree cover within their regions.
Kubwatikana n'ekinchere wizara y'obuhererania yabekirere gukora umuchando bw'onchoreria bwerire nigo Kisang'anyi atebire nigo bagasemya abantu gwetera chiredio Mwananchi TV na gwetera emitandao
is to get people to get the right information. The other way to mitigate that is early warning systems. So as a ministry, our main agenda is to use the instruments we have, television, radio, even social media, to pass information to make sure that you understand what His Excellency is talking about.
Arene serikali nene gosiro moroberio yobu morai wense gosimekemete gweka bilioni 15 asege kakimiaka ikomini gobo igwa serikali ya county ya Kisii era somostario gosio asomoroberio yo kubwatekana no waziri w'ebintu bitwetana inime county ya Kisii Lea Bwari.
As ministry, we want to support this enterprise. We are supporting the enterprise, which is spearheaded by the head of state. Each ministry has been given a day in a month. We need to plant a certain number of trees. The president wants about 15 billion trees planted in the next almost 8-10 years.
Hii muradi ilikuwa imeanzishwa na president wetu William Samoei Ruto, na kuna hii strategy ya 15 billion in 10 years of planting trees. Kama sisi watu wa Kisii, indeed tumeichukulia mikononi na tuko tayari kuzingatia huyo mradi, kwa sababu hii ndio njia moja ya kuchunga mazingira yetu.
PS Kisang'anyi aruro kubore gocha sabantu bonsi kubwatira naso moroberi bw'umurayi wense Dr. William Ruto iri gukora umuchando bw'onchoreria bwerire.
We plead with everybody who is here to support the president's initiative, because by supporting what the president is doing, we are supporting ourselves, and make sure that we reverse the effects of climate change that have the capacity to completely wash us out of the face of this earth.
Ndizi TV, Ndizi kerubo.